Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the easy way to drive these things into the ground, because putting these in is a lot of work, but I'm always looking for easier ways to do things, and I'll show you a tool that will drive these in really quick and easy, and you can make it yourself. It's not hard. So I got this carport here. We just moved it from another area of the property where it was bolted down to concrete. We moved it over here. The other side is on a concrete driveway, so I'm putting in concrete anchors over there. That's super simple. It takes like 5 minutes each. But this side's just sitting on a shell driveway with nothing but sugar sand underneath it. I'm going to have to drive these in to hold this thing down. And it's kind of imperative I get this done because we got a hurricane coming in a few days. So I don't want this thing taking off and flying across the landscape, causing all kinds of devastation. So I got to get this thing anchored down. Going to drive these in and attach them to the legs of the carport. But I'm going to do it the easy way with the tool I built, and I'll show you that tool next, and then I'll show you it in operation. So here's the homemade tool I'm using. It's just a cheap impact wrench, air impact wrench. It's Harbor Freight brand. Works pretty good actually. Comes in handy for lots of stuff around the farm here. Got a 15/16 impact socket in it. And what I did is I got myself an 1.25 inch pipe nipple there, steel pipe nipple, and I welded onto the end of it, and you know, my welding is terrible, but it works. Actually, it's kind of stuck in the socket right now. I can't pull it out. But I welded a 5/8 nut on there, which fits right inside the 15/16 socket perfectly. So this spins, and it fits perfectly, well, almost perfectly, inside the saddle on this hold down. So what do you know? I can drive these in with my impact wrench. Super simple. Let me put the camera up on the tripod and I'll show you. So here we go. So this fits right in here pretty nicely. It's not a perfect fit. There was a lot of rattling around on the first one I did. So that got me thinking that, you know, all that rattling might make the weld break. So I've just got a piece of rubber gasket material here, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Jam it in there. No more rattling around. Everything's nice and secure. Get this where I want it. Let's see if we can get it started in. Give you another view of that. It just goes in as sweet as can be. Here and let the compressor recharge, and then go down about another 6 or 8 inches, and we'll be done. And you saw that took no time at all and no effort, which I really like. Okay, the compressor is recharged. Let's get this in the rest of the way. I don't know if it's coming through on the video, but it's thundering really bad. Don't worry, that's not the hurricane. It's still days away. It's just a random rainy day in Florida, so I'd like to get this done before it starts raining again. It's already rained twice today. So here we go. There's another one in. I'll show you one more. Okay, your mileage may vary. If you've got really rocky soil or tree roots or really hard soil, this may not work so well for you. But here in Florida, where we got just sugar sand down there, this works really well. And now that we've got this method for getting these in so quick and easy, we got some other sheds around the property that need to be tied down. We're going to get a portable building delivered soon that's going to be a workshop for my stepson. We'll be able to anchor it down ourselves nice and cheap and quick and save some money having somebody else doing it. So this is great. I just got to get this last one in, attach them to the legs of the carport, and then I am done. Good hand. I'll let the compressor recharge and finish that one off. All right, last few inches, we're done. That's it. And I'll show you something else. You need to move this thing in the future, which we might want to move it again. They come out as easy as they go in. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found that interesting, educational, informative, useful. Give the video a thumbs up, give it a like if so. Subscribe to see my future videos. I do a lot of videos. Check them out. This carport is actually covering my lab where I extract gold from electronic waste. Those videos are very popular. A lot of people like them. But subscribe, press the little bell icon that YouTube makes you press so you'll be informed when new videos come out. And thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye.